Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are talking about these super cute jumbo French curl box braids. Keep on watching. So it has been 4 days since I have installed these jumbo French curl box braids. And I'm obsessed, completely obsessed. So one of my goals for this year was to work on my braids and braid outs, because I'm definitely a twist out type of girl. But I was determined this year to perfect the braids, and we're definitely getting there. We got some work to do, but we're getting there. We are getting there. So let's get into this hair. Products that I use, I'll leave in the description box. And yeah, let's get into it. So this is the Goddesty Beauty hair. This is braiding hair with curly ends, which saves you time, money, easy braiding, and professional look. Okay? So this braiding hair is pre-stretched. It is in 54 inches and it's in the color 1B. And I will leave a link to this hair in the description box. I'm absolutely obsessed, so I will definitely be getting some more of this hair. So I'm so happy that I was sent this hair to try out. I am absolutely obsessed. So we know that the girls are doing all over YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, the Coi Leray braids, where they're doing the jumbo braids and putting the curl at the end using a perm rod or flexi rod. Well, this hair comes curled at the end, so all you have to do is braid. Just that simple. And these have been in for 4 days. I have not had to refresh the curls at all. However, you can refresh the curls, so you can put a perm rod in here and curl it, dip it in some hot water, dry it off, and you are good to go. So if you need a refresh, you definitely can do this. But again, this hair comes pre-curled. You have full 360 of these braids. Absolutely love these braids. So when I did the braids, I did do a middle part, but I am a side part kind of girl. So I just flipped her over, and that's the look that I went for. But you can wear it either way, or you can flip it to the other side. Styles are endless. You can pull these up. They are not too tight. These are jumbo braids. I have, I believe, 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 braids. So I have 15 braids total. The pack, it comes with 6 packs, and each pack are split into 3 sections. So for each braid, or for each pack, I was able to do 3 braids, and this was the perfect size for me. This was the exact size that I was going for. So again, it comes with 6 packs. Each pack I split into 3 sections. And this is what I have left over from the 6 packs. So this is about 6 packs that I have in my hair. I have this little bit left over. This is the size of the hair that I use for each braid. So what I did was take this section, which is 1/3 of the pack, and then I grabbed 1/3 of the section, crochet this into my hair vertically, and then for the last section, I did not crochet it in. So my next step is definitely some knotless braids, so stay tuned for that, but I'm not quite there yet. So I did crochet the first piece in, and then for my last piece, I just wrapped it around that one piece that I crocheted in, and then braided all the way down. I'm gonna show you exactly what I did. Keep on watching. Okay, so again, I am not a braider, but I'm learning. I'm working on it. I'm perfecting my crafts. And I know that those angles weren't so good. So I'm gonna take this front braid down just to show you a better angle. You know, we're trying to teach you how to get this style. So you wanna make sure you get all the angles, because honey, trying to fix my arms to put those braids in. I am not a professional, but I'm gonna make it do what it do. So we're just gonna pop that rubber band at the end. Okay, rubber band. Pop that rubber band at the end, and then just unbraid. One thing I love about jumbo braids is the takedown is so simple because the braids are super big. So this is that one piece of hair, and I probably could just rebraid with this instead of using that extra piece, but we're gonna use a fresh piece. And then this is the piece that I crocheted in. Just pull that out. And this is my braid. And I was not worried about tucking my braid into the braiding hair because the braids are so big. So I don't know if you can see a little bit my braid in there, but it blends in perfectly, so it works out. So this is my little braid. So when crocheting the hair in, I start right at the end so I don't have to pull too much through. So I'm gonna put that crochet needle right back vertically up the middle. Insert the hair on there, close the latch, pull it through. Take the crochet needle off. And then make sure that piece is even. And again, I'm not really worrying about hiding my hair in the braid because it will blend in. So I'm only crocheting that vertical piece. Then this next section, I'm not gonna crochet in. I'm just putting it on top of where I crocheted that other piece in. And I'm just gonna start braiding. And as you can see, my little piece of hair right there, I'm not even worrying about tucking it in or anything like that. Just braiding. So just slipping my hair underneath that other piece, switching hands, making sure the hair is detangled, slipping that hand under that piece, detangling, and braiding. So I hope this gives you a better view of how I attach that last piece on. And this is like a baby steps to get in the feed in method. This is very beginner friendly. See that? So I'm just keep on braiding and we'll be right back. So again, when I get down to the end of the braid, about 80% down, take a rubber band, wrap it around to secure the braid so that it doesn't unravel. The hair at the bottom is already curled. And that is it. So again, absolutely obsessed with these jumbo French curl braids. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. And don't forget to check the description box, as I will leave the link for this beautiful hair and all of the products that I use in the description box. Again, thanks so much for watching. See you next time.